Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmine again with a brand new video, and today you can see something is very incomplete on my face, and yes, that's my eyes. It's because this is the most requested video on my channel. That is, they want to know how I do my eyes and how I apply normal kajal on a daily basis. So I thought, let me do this video for you so that you get to know how I do my eyes on daily basis. And this doesn't require any mascara. I don't apply mascara daily. I just do my kajal, which is this Lakme iconic kajal. So I use this Lakme iconic kajal. Okay, so I just use this on daily basis, and this is in the shade Blackest Black, and this is the one which I got from India because it's very difficult to get here in Singapore. So yeah, face looks really incomplete without kajal, and that is one thing which I always need no matter what. Even if I'm not applying my lipstick, my blush, my foundation, anything is okay, but then I really need my kajal on a daily basis. Okay, so yeah, I'm using this kajal, so let's get started. This is a new kajal actually. I haven't opened it, so this is the last kajal, guys. So till the time I go back to India, I won't be having this one. That is the Lakme iconic. So let me show you. So I think I'll just zoom in a bit and then start it. Okay, so you see here my eyes are completely plain and very clean as of now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start applying this kajal. So first what I'll do is I'll start it something. I don't take out too much of lid, as you can see, it's just a bit. And then what I'll do is I'll start applying oh, I'm so sorry. So I'll just start applying it here now. I can't open my eyes and do this because my eyes will start watering. So what I'll do is I'll place it somewhere here, I'll close my eyes, and then I apply this kajal. And this is for my lower waterline. As you see, one side is already done and this side is not done, so I'll do it on the other side as well. This is a very easy method to apply just this normal kajal. As you see here, there's a huge difference in my eyes already. It's because of this kajal. It's just a normal thing what I've applied now. Okay, so what I do is just to highlight this a lot, and I like thick kajal. I don't like this one. This is very normal for me, so I don't like this. So what I'll do is, as you see here, I'll just pull this thing a bit and then I'll start applying it here. And this claims to be smudge proof, so yeah, I like something like this thick kajal. Okay, so you see it's really quite thick now. So I'm gonna do the same on my other eyes as well. I'm already used to this applying this kajal, this type of kajal. It's been like many years I've been doing this, so I'm already very used to applying this type of kajal. So you can actually practice, and then yeah, it's very easy. You don't need too much of. Actually, with the eyeliner, which is the liquid eyeliner, it's very difficult to apply something like this because it's a bit shaky, and for me it's a bit difficult with the liquid eyeliner. I'm very comfortable with this eye pencils. So as you can see now, my both eyes are done, and this is how I do my kajal on daily basis, as you can see here. Let me show you. Yeah, you see now my face looks normal, back to normal. Okay, but then now if you want to line on the lid as well, then I'll show you that now. Let me zoom in back. Okay, so yeah, this is the mold that I have. It's not the extra kajal, it's the mold that I have. Yeah, I have a mole under my eye, so that looks like kajal always. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll just close my lid, and then I'll just pull this part a bit, and then I'll apply it here. This is something like the Kareena Kapoor style kajal, you know, she always applies something like this. Then I'll just do it like a liner here. So I don't need any extra eyeliner. So kajal is everything for me, liner and kajal. Okay, so I'll just join these both. So you see my eyes, one eye is already done, and this is very smooth and very smooth, you know. Actually you just have to touch it and then it applies, you know. Okay, so now for the other eye. So I'm done with the kajal and that's it. So as you see, my eyes are done. So this is how it looks. Okay, so friends, I'm done with my kajal. As you can see, now my face looks complete and I'm not looking as if I've been crying whole night or whatever it is. Yeah, so kajal is it enhances your beauty, guys. So kajal is really important. So if you really love kajal, yes, you should keep loving it more and more. So friends, this was it for this video. I hope you like this video and give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. We are soon gonna hit 13,000 subscribers. Thanks to all of you once again. So see you again in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.